Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you're fine. And this is your maths class today, 17 May, 2021. That is our date, and we will do our maths book. That is your book, Term Pack Mathematics Term 1. Okay. So we will do today page number 10 firstly. Okay. On this page, you will do before, after, between. Okay, by giving an example. Firstly, there is 14, 15 and 16. Okay, what is between? Between means middle. Okay, 15 is our middle number. Okay, this is our between. Before, what come before 15? It's 14. And after 16. Okay, what come before 15? It's 14. And after 16. Okay, and this is between. This is between number. Okay, so we will do today what come before, after and between. So let's go. First question is like 7, 8, 9. 8 is between, 7 is before number and 9 is after number. Okay, so there is given 17. This is between number because one box left before and one box left after. So what will come before 17? It's 16. Okay, and what come after 17? It's 18. Okay, next it's 29 and it's between number. Okay, now before 29 it's come 28 and after 29 it's come 30. Okay, next 41. 41 is between number and what will come 41? It's 40. After 41, 42. Okay. Next 32. And what will come before 32? It's 31. After 32, it's 33. Okay. Next 40. Before 40, 39 comes. After 40, 41. 36 is our between number. Before 36, 35 comes. After 36, 37 comes. And 19 is our between number. What will come before 19? It's 18. And after 19 is 20. Okay. This is your before or after. Now between. As I told, this is our between number. So you will write between number now. First number is given and third number is given. You will write second number like 5 or 7 given. You will write middle number 5 or 7. What is between 5 or 7? That is 6. Now what is between 10 or 12? It's 11. 10, 11, 12. Now 19 and 21. It's 20. 19, 20, 21. Okay. Next 25 and 26, 27. And what will come in between? It's 26. Okay. Yes. Next 16 and 18. What will come? 17. 16, 17, 18. Next 29 and 31. And 30 is between number. 29, 30, 31. 34 and 36. What will come 34? What will come between in 34 and 36? It's 35. 34, 35, 36. Next 40 and 42. It's come 41. And third question is the number fill in. The number before 11 is 10. Okay, firstly you will read the number after 19 is 20. After 19, the number before 30 is 29. The number after is 48. After after dash is 48, means 47. After 47 is 48. 48 is given, but from what? 47 after 48. Okay, next 45 is between 44 and 46. 45 is our between number. 45 is our between number and it is between 44 and 46. Next 29 is between 28 and 30. Okay. Dash is between 9 and 11. What is come in between 9 and 11? It's 10. Okay. And next, what is between 30 and 32? It's 31. Okay. This is your before, after, between. Okay. Now, your second page, that is 11 page. Number 11 page. Okay. This is your 11 page. This is comparing number. Comparing number. Now there are two example like this way and this way. They are this equal sign. This is our equal sign and this is our open area greater than, and close area is for smaller number. Like 6 beads are more than 4 beads. 6 beads are more than 4 beads. Okay. So it will increase the shape of sign. Okay. Open mouth. 6 is greater than 4. We will write 6 open face in front of 6 and close face for 4. Okay. In this example, 4, 8, 12, 16 are blocks given. 12 blocks are lesser than 16. 12 blocks are lesser than 16. Okay. So, 12 is less than 16. So, we will put this sign. Close face for 12 and open face for 16. 16 is largest and 12 is small. Okay. For a number, smaller number come before it. Means 1, 2, 3. Smaller number means before. Before 2, 1 is smaller. Before 3, 2 is smaller. And if we say 2 is greater than 1 and 3 is greater than 2. Okay. So, greater than number is after and smaller number is before. Okay. So, keep in your mind like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than 3, 3 less than 4, 4 less than 5, 5 less than 6, 6 less than 7. Now, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After. What is after? Means greater than. 9 greater than 8, 10 greater than 8, 11 greater than 8, 11 greater than 10, 9, 12 greater than 11, 10, 9, and 13 greater than 12, 11, 10, all these number. Okay. Now we will start. Write this sign, greater than sign, or smaller than sign, or this is sign of equal. Okay, 9 greater than 6. So we will put open area for 9 and close area for 6. Okay, 7 and 8. Who is big? 7 is less than and 8 is greater than 7. Okay, so we will put open area for 8 and close area for 7. Okay, and 11, 12. Who is bigger? 12 is bigger than 11. What will we put? This sign. Okay, 4 and 14. We will put 14 is greater than 4. For smaller number, we will use close area, and for greater number, we will use open area. Okay, now it's 14 and 14. There is 14 and there is also 14. That is equal. So we will put equal sign. Now 41 and 14. Who is greater than? From 41 is greater than 14. So we will put this sign, open area for greater number and close area for smaller number. Like 23 and 27. Who is greater? 23 is smaller and 27 is greater than 23. So we will put this sign. Okay, next 41 and 39. Who is bigger? 41 is bigger. Open area for bigger number. Okay, 35 and 45. Who is bigger? 45. We will put 45 and this sign. 32, 23. Who is bigger? 32. This sign. 7, 27. Who is bigger? 27. You will put open area for bigger number. Okay. 47 and 34. It's 47 greater than 34. We will put this sign. Okay. So today this is your 2 pages. That is your homework. Okay. Thank you.